As our culture has always been, after the episode, we'll bring you the making of our previous video.
But this time around, we'll be doing something different.
Yeah, something different.
What is your favorite episode?
My favorite episode is the newest.
And why?
Because it has to do with wickedness. All of you saw how he was behaving. We even gave him food that will purge him. He did not agree and go. We begged him, he did not agree and go. So I carried the dog and put it in his room. Serves him right. Even I've locked the dog, do not bite him.
My favorite episode is oil business.
Why is that your favorite episode?
Basically, that episode really cracked me up because it looks like it's a real life scenario whereby someone has been doing something repeatedly over time and he's not being caught or he's going scot-free with it. But this time, like on his neck, everywhere just choke.
Where have you been since? We've been looking for you everywhere.
Sir, I'm looking for the fuel.
Oh, thank God you've not bought the fuel. Can I have the money? I need to give the money to somebody.
But sir, no, I want to buy the fuel.
What do you mean you want to buy the fuel? Ma, can I have the money? I need to send the money to somebody.
Sir, no, please, let me know. No, I will buy the fuel. I will buy it. Sir, I'm looking for it. I will buy the fuel.
But my favorite scene in that particular episode is when he came to me to say, sir, I want to go and buy fuel.
Okay, give me money. Let me go and buy fuel.
What happened to your voice?
I was praying last night.
My favorite episode is that yeah, security. That one now that I'm doing security something.
Okay. And why is that your favorite episode?
Yeah, because Oga put me inside the progress. Provision. Ask me that question.
Mind you, Mark, you are on probation. So I need you to put in your very best
Thank you,
and
sir.
do it well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, you can go.
I am on promotion.
Not promotion, it's probation.
Sir, it's promotion also, so. Let's ask Oga. Oga?
Yeah?
I think he's here. I think I'm in promotion. Promotion. Hey, you said promotion. Promotion.
What is your biggest challenge behind the scene on this series?
My biggest challenge behind the scene on this series is trying not to laugh on set. Because Okumak is Momo in real life.
Denied.
What if you just keep quiet? Keep quiet.
I did that. Sorry.
Why are you laughing now?
Is this the white? Is this the white? Okay.
Just take all yours.
Bust it.
Continue.
Why are you touching me?
What did I do now?
I think you have locked kitchen.
So you see, acting with Okumak concept without laughing is very difficult. I'm sure some of you don't know I used to laugh in the content. Like the one that Okumak slapped my head, I was like, why are you looking at my boyfriend? The moment that I keep it on his own, you're starting laughing.
Don't look at my mind now. Don't look at my mind. Why are you looking at my mind? Is it you that put it there? I'll put my mind here. You'll be looking at it.
I was laughing. And the one that I was in the parlor that he was like, so you're still learning how to hide it. If I can come back and anything is missing, I'll tell him that it's you because you have started hiding things.
And I think you're learning how to hide something. You're learning how to hide something. Are you hiding something like professional like that? Eh? Look at how you're hiding something. Small picking like you. This is how now you learn how to go and thief something now and be hiding it. Let anything lost in this house. I will tell Oga that it's you that thief it and hide it. You're learning how to hide something. Small things now, you're hiding it. Let Oga come out. I'll tell Oga that you're thieving something and hiding it. I'll beat you now.
That's it, I was done in the script though. Anyway, I'll stop laughing. Why did you laugh?
My biggest challenge is, so the people used to say that I'm doing stupid something, that I don't have sense. That see, it's when I'm trying to do it response. You know that thing that you be doing like. Help me now. That thing response.
You mean responsible?
Is this that one? I used to try and be doing that one now that you're saying now. It's hard.
My biggest challenge in this series is having not to miss my cue whenever I'm working with Mark, whenever I have a scene with Mark. Because one time he's meant to say something for me to pick up and say mine. He discovered that he just moves out of the script, goes round and round, and before you know, he's done with his lines. For instance, there was a scene whereby he was supposed to say CEO, and I was trying to cut him.
Man. Okay, see, that time that I used to work in Intercontinental Hotel, I was doing cleaner. Then I now do chef something. Then I now do manager something. Then they now carry me and they do me CEO.
Shh. Who does that? To their Oga. Kai. And that was not even in the script.
Do you think there's something weird in any of the episodes that the audience didn't notice?
Yes. When they sent us to buy fuel, that oil business, the haircut when I was inside and when we were outside is not the same.
Well, you're not the one that asked Ella to come and collect money for me to go and buy fuel.
Is it?
Thank God you've not bought the fuel. Can I have the money? I need to give the money to somebody.
Did you notice it? That was because we shot it on 2 different days.
Yes.
Do you think there's something weird in any of the episodes that the audience didn't notice?
Why are you asking me this question? Is it because my dog is here? You're not asking me wired.
No.
My dog is doing wired something in your eye now.
No, mean weird. We've actually been asking other people the same question.
Okay. Explain wired.
Okay, like something weird.
You're asking me a question that I don't know. Ask me another question.
Okay, do you think there is something that happened in any of the episodes that the audience didn't notice?
You know that my cloth, that cloth that I used to wear, that blue cloth that I used to wear, that one, I don't used to wear it again. Do you know why I don't used to wear it again?
Mark, what happened to your uniform?
No, it's my Oga. My Oga said we should change the uniform. That one is doing somehow.
It's the life for me. It's the life for me.
That time I go to prison in caretaker series, I was not chopping money. Then I now add weight. Then the cloth is not entering me again. Then I now started buying another cloth and wearing it?
I wasn't putting on my glasses, and in this series, I'm supposed to be putting on my glasses as, you know, as someone that has eye challenge. Just stick to taking care of the house and the kitchen, all right? Yeah, you can go.
Oga, what about your eyeglass?
Oh, I misplaced the other one, so I ordered for another one, okay? That's because I actually forgot the glasses at home. And definitely, that was not in the script.
Why did you say you can beat your Oga?
I can beat him now. Forget that I'm small like this, so sometimes if I used to beat Uncle Mark.
Moving on to the comments from fans. Hawa Ajid said, why is Oga not married? And Binti Kitosi said, Bisten has joined Mimi in having unknown spouse.
That's not entirely true. I was almost at the verge of getting married until Mark ruined my wedding.
Guys, let's go to the church.
Now?
Let's go to church now! Now!
Hey guys! Wait for me now, you guys going without me?
Baby, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Is this new houseboy I employed though? Eh? I asked him to get me a white turkey shirt. A white turkey shirt this morning, eh?
Okay, so where is he?
He's coming.
He's here.
Okay, he's here. Come here. Where have you been since? Eh? Where have you been? Where's the shirt? Huh? Mark?
Eh?
What's this?
Turkey shirt.
Turkey shirt.
Turkey shirt.
Where is the turkey?
Uncle Mark, they say turkey design.
This one they design it for turkey.
Hey!
I thought you tell her the turkey now is wearing it.
Hey.
Where is the turkey? Hey, did you people forget the turkey? See, the teller said that, I should use my hand and wear this cloth on the turkey. That we should not wear it from the head, we should wear it from the leg.
Hey!
Don't worry, he teach me how to wear the turkey, the cloth. Where is the turkey? I want to use my hand and wear it on the turkey.
My chest. My chest, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Okay, why are you finishing? Emanuella, what happened?
Uncle Mark,
Did I do anything wrong?
leave me alone. Leave me alone.
That marriage did not work. And the lady I came back with in episode 1.
Maybe why?
What's going on here? Will you put that down? I'm asking what's going on and you're jumping on him. Are you okay?
Mark, who is this?
Hey, where's the car I parked outside?
And who are these girls? What are they doing here?
Just hold on. That's my sister.
Okay, Mpoligoti says, Mark, you're a fool. How can you tell your boss that CEO is big man something and he will not know it?
My boss do not know CEO something. My boss is not doing CEO thing, no. He's doing here. What is my boss doing again?
K King said, Bisten is broke again. Not paid sanitation levy.
Hey, are you serious? For God's sake, Mark did not tell me. So, it's not my fault, it's his fault. It's Mark's fault. Please, nobody should put that on me. He didn't tell me. I'm not broke.
Nikki Tyson Siriti is saying, Mark and Ella is like Tom and Jerry from now on.
What's Ella? Yeah, Ella. Ella that will just slap in her head now. She will just stumble. Me. See, if you it's me and Ella, we are like rat and dog. I will just carry something and just hit her in her head. She will just cry. It's not only.
Akinda Billy said, Bisten, you are always traveling. I hope it's not them too that are chasing you out of your house always.
Nah. They can't chase me out of my house. That's my house. Instead of them to chase me out of my house, I'll chase them out of my house. But the truth is that I'm a filmmaker, so I have to travel to one location and to the other to make films. And that's why you guys are watching this now.
Zim Wild is saying, a moment of silence to Uncle Mark's shots.
But now. Moment of silence. People are playing. That thing is it not in Mr. Lawansi family show that they used to play it? People don't even know what you're doing.
FZ Ezex says, I'm surprised how Mark is still hired after all this. And most of your fans are wondering why you still haven't fired Mark.
Do you know I haven't thought of this? Wow. Maybe in the next episode, okay, I'll fire Mark. In fact, if he tries anything else, I'll fire him.
Talent Messianic is saying, I would love to see Mr. Azu visiting.
Visiting where? It's like this thing that we are doing quiet now. You people don't like it. Visiting where? People should just leave Mr. Azu where he is. So, no. The visit will open gate for him.
Between Success and kbrown, who would you like to see in the Housekeeper series?
Please, kbrown. I can't risk it having Success in my... No, kbrown. Please.
Thank you for watching. See you next Wednesday with a new episode of Housekeeper series.
Can you give us a clue of the next episode? That was so short.
That's the clue.
Wait, you want us to play everything? How will you now watch next week Friday? Wednesday. I have called the name of the week.